Motion graphics are one of the most popular styles of corporate animation. As the name suggests, they're essentially graphics in movement. Their goal is to visually present ideas and make them easy to understand. Motion graphic videos are very sleek, modern, and minimal. Unlike other types of animation, they don't feature characters or have a traditional storyline, but instead use a visual narration to communicate the message. Motion graphic animations are great for explaining abstract concepts, especially in the tech industry. So let's check out a few examples. Swipe pages. Because it's so simple, motion graphic animation allows for different stylistic combinations. The video we created for Swipe Pages is a great example of a mixed media that combines motion graphics with screenshots, stock images, and even emojis. This not only makes the video visually appealing and memorable, but also helps simplify the concept behind the app and helps show its real-life application. Mixtab. You can also combine motion graphics with animated text to emphasize the message you're trying to communicate. This is especially true if the video doesn't have a voiceover. Mixtab is a platform that curates copyright-free music for businesses. This is why it made sense to use music instead of a speaking voice. Still, we needed a comprehensive way to put the message across, so we added kinetic typography to go along with our moving graphics. Swap Kiwi. Do you remember swapping baseball cards with your friends as a kid? Or maybe Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Pokemon cards? Inspired by this childhood memory, Swap Kiwi has created a platform for exchanging NFTs just as you would swap baseball cards. They needed a quick and simple guide on how to use their platform, so what better than a motion graphics animation with an old-school 1980s vibe? Motion graphics are perfect when you have to explain how a user interface works, because even if you change the design in the future, the video will still be relevant. Telelink. What if you want to educate people on complex or abstract concepts like fishing? Make it easier with a cool motion graphics video. Our clients at Telelink work in the cybersecurity field, and they tasked us with producing a series of animations educating people on the most common online threats. And since most of their target audience is not tech-savvy, we used simple yet entertaining motion graphics to explain the damage security vulnerabilities can cause their business and the solution Telelink provides. Love Lucy. So far, we saw the power of motion graphics when it comes to explaining technical concepts. But what about emotions? Is it possible to convey feelings without a storyline or characters? Love Lucy is a creative agency that takes a one-of-a-kind approach to design and branding. They wanted an explainer video that communicates their unique voice and feel-good attitude. The minimalist two-color motion graphics we created for them has a positive tone and a calming feeling that perfectly represents our client's brand. What makes motion graphics the ideal style for corporate videos? It's sleek, modern, and makes abstract ideas easier to understand. Do you have a complex product or service that you want to simplify? Contact us for a free virtual coffee and we can talk about it. Subscribe to our channel for more video marketing tips and explainer video insights.